09 Chevy Cobalt SS. Yeah, we're moving it in the back so we can work on it. This is the one we were having a hard time with the starter. We cleaned the grounds by the headlight, so it had some paint on it. Cleaned the ground by transmission. The headlight maybe had a little paint on it, so that could have been an issue. And we just moved the starter relay in and out, and we just jump started it with the starter relay out of it, and she kind of fired up. Gets long cranks, so we're going to change the timing chain. It's 133,000 miles. What else are we going to do? The turbo won't boost. I was told the turbo wheel's getting tight. And then we lose clutch all the time. It got worse. We changed the clutch master 4 times. One of our used ones we sold on eBay never came back. The guy never complained. And I got the special bleeding kit. I got the special hose from ZZRP, which is universal stainless steel hose. So we are going to change all that out. Clutch, turbo, timing chain, and we'll go from there. This thing needs some work. The clutch has been dogging me, and no turbo, that sucks too, so she won't boost. And before she's boosting about 22.